The Detroit Assembly Complex, Jefferson, is more than just a production site. It is where two of Stellantis' most popular sport utility vehicles are brought to life, the 2025 Dodge Durango and the 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Located in the heart of Detroit, this historic facility plays a critical role in delivering performance, technology, and versatility to SUV lovers around the world. For the 2025 model year, the Dodge Durango returns with options that speak to different kinds of drivers. Whether you are looking for everyday capability or supercharged muscle, there is something here for everyone. The GT trim is powered by a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine that produces 295 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. If you are craving more power, the RT trim offers a 5.7-liter Hemi V8 with 360 horsepower and 390 pound-feet of torque. Then there is the Beast, the SRT Hellcat, delivering 710 horsepower and 645 pound-feet of torque from its supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine. Along with serious towing power up to 8,700 pounds and a long driving range, the Durango proves it can handle family duty and performance thrills all in one package. On the other hand, the 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee continues its mission of offering luxury, capability, and hybrid efficiency. It starts with the Laredo A trim, a solid entry point with LED lighting and practical features. Moving up, the Altitude X brings black leather seats and gloss black exterior accents. The limited trim adds premium materials and a 10.1-inch touchscreen, while the Overland brings Napa leather and air suspension for a smoother ride. At the top sits the Summit Reserve, packed with Palermo leather, real wood trim, and a Macintosh sound system that turns every trip into a premium experience. Jeep also offers the 4E plug-in hybrid option, giving drivers an estimated 56 miles per gallon equivalent and the ability to run on electric-only mode for short trips. Both vehicles represent Stellantis' push toward performance, technology, and sustainable innovation, and the Jefferson plant is where it all comes together. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the latest updates.